So let's do a little introduction to touch. And we're doing a lot of intros here to the rest of these workshops. So you have kind of a feel for next time when we're going to be in the Wild West, out in the high desert, doing postural things and a lot more stories and visualizations.
All right. So for our touch or massage, we'll start with touch and we'll use our hands, our favorite mechanisms for touch usually. And we'll go ahead and keep this all where we can easily see for the Zoom call. Loosening up, yes, your hands. Feel them come together, maybe lightly touch them together. Feel the texture of your skin. A little bit of rubbing. As you pull them apart, can you still feel a connection? Is there energy between your hands? How far away can you pull them apart and still feel that sense of energy without any stress in your hands? Go ahead and face them towards your cheeks. We're going to end up touching on our face a little bit, but let's go in real lightly to start. Can you feel the energy start to approach your face? Can you sense your hands getting closer? Bring them right up, but don't touch as close as you can, but without actually making physical contact. Can you sense that there's already a contact being made, even if it's just energy itself? Now allow your soft hands to rest upon your cheeks, ever so gently. Feel that outside, the texture of your own skin. You may feel the little hairs on top of your skin. The skin itself, a very thin layer of tissue. Allow that pressure to go ever so gently, deeper, with your fingertips in particular. Feeling through the skin to the dermis, deeper through the dermis to to the fatty layer over our muscles, through that fatty cushion layer into the muscles themselves. Allow that connection to move with the muscles as you do a little rotation with your fingertips. And sense, you don't have to push any harder, but sense how the muscles are showing you the shape of the bone beneath them. With that ever so gentle contact, you've been able to massage all the way through your skin down to the level of bone. That's how readily available that touch is available to you. Those are our first lessons in massage, is how to keep your hands soft enough to listen, to hear what you are touching. Sometimes it helps me a lot when I'm giving massage to just close my eyes so I can see more vividly through my fingertips. So that my eyes don't distract me from whatever's around. And I actually see the body that I'm touching. I visualize those tissues. I feel if they're more liquid or solid, papery. What's the direction of the fibers of the muscles I'm touching? Can I let my jaw go slack in this case, since we're on the face and I tend to migrate toward my masseter muscle, the jaw muscle, and back at that angle. And that's where, again, our letting our jaw go slack provides more space there between the bones. We can even come out along the angle of our jaw, and our very teeth are sitting in soft tissue, joints. The gums of our teeth are actually gymphosis joints. It's soft tissue that's holding our teeth in place. And that's why our teeth can change so quickly. For any of those who have had to wear braces or retainers, we know if we miss a day or two, because it feels very different when we put it back in. So, and you can even go across the top of your jaw, below your nose. Those are all those gymphosis joints. They might make your smile feel a little more easy to happen, a little more readily available as we massage the muscle around our mouth, which is orbicularis oris. And below our cheeks, that cheekbone being the zygomatic arch, that's where muscles attach. So a lot of times going just below that bone and gently pulling down and up, letting your fingertips sink into that muscle, the masseter muscle attached to the zygomatic arch. And then ending back at the jaw again. And as you release, go slowly and feel your pressure come away, back out from the bone level, out through the muscle level, out through that soft tissue in the skin. Release your contact. Feel if you can still sense that energy tension, that feeling, that connection is still there. And then finally, go ahead and point your palm somewhere else, maybe out. Let that energy pour out into the universe. And enjoy your soft, slack jaw.
Thanks. That was relaxing.